regression using dummies. Okay, so when we talk about regression using dummies, and then I will also come to the second part. So if you have a categorical data, so let's say in your control, okay, today we, even for gender, we just don't have two categories. We have 0, 1, and we have male, female, and we also have others, right? So there is another gender category. So you can code it as, let's say you have modeled it as 0, 1, 2. So when you will do your regressions, you should create two dummies, D0 and D1. Okay, 0 is coded as 0, 0. 1, you can code it as 1, 0. And this can be coded as 0, 1. So when you are doing your regression, you will have beta naught plus beta 1 times dummy 0 plus beta 2 times dummy 1 plus beta 3 times, let's say, leadership. Okay, so now here y for us was, let's say, procedural justice. So for gender, you have now coded as two dummies, 0 and 1, and you can, and each one of these dummies, they take only two values, 0 and 1, 0 and 1, right? So if you enter for different dummy values in this equation, you will get beta naught plus beta 3 lead. This is for males, right? Then you will get PJ beta naught plus beta 1 plus beta 3 lead. This is for females. So the difference between males and females is beta 1. And then PJ is equal to beta naught plus beta 2 plus beta 3 lead, right? This is for the other gender. So the difference between males and the other gender is beta 2, and the difference between others and female is beta 2 minus beta 1, right? So this is called as dummy variable regression. When you have categorical data, you should model this as dummies. If you don't want to interpret too much between in the impact of the variable, you can also let it remain like this also, 0, 1, 2, or you can, if you want to really estimate what is the difference between the two, between the multiple categories, you can model these as dummy variables, right? So this is how you can do dummy variable regression and model the categorical controls in your